question I want to ask each and every one of you is, do you feel safe in your relationship? And then the second question to that would be, what does being safe look like for you? I can say for me, being a heterosexual male, that being safe in a relationship means that I don't have to worry about my spouse stepping out of our relationship. I don't have to worry about my spouse embarrassing me publicly in front of people when I'm not around. Because when you're in a relationship, a part of feeling safe from a male perspective is that your woman holds up a certain level of integrity when you're around and when you are not around. And from the women I work with, feeling safe to them looks like this. When you're around, she can be herself. When you're not around, she doesn't have to worry about you mismanaging your penis. When she's not around, she doesn't have to worry about hearing stories where you are embarrassing her when she's not around. If you notice, a common theme is that men and women in healthy relationships want to know that the person that they're with is the same person behind closed doors and the same person outside those closed doors. And what does that look like? It looks like this: maintain a healthy relationship, set proper boundaries. Because I'm not against having friends of the opposite sex, but when you do have friends that are men or women, they need to understand that your relationship comes first, meaning that it is you, your children, if any, your relationship. Let me start that again. It's you, your children, if any, your partner, then the structure of your relationship is second, third, fourth, and fifth, and six, and seven, and eight, and nine. And then it comes your friends. And the reason why I want to demonstrate that distance is that some people think that their relationship extends out to their friends, meaning that their friends can be involved in their relationship. This isn't healthy, because look at it like this. If you're dating someone that always involved their friends, their family in the relationship, how many people are you truly dating? You're dating your partner, you're dating all of the friends, and you're dating all of the family. That is what? 10 different sets of opinions, 10 different sets of behaviors, 10 different sets of insecurities, boundaries, thoughts, and actions that you would have to maneuver around. And it is ridiculous and unreasonable to ask someone to do so. Set up a perimeter, aka a boundary about around your relationship, and protect it. Here's an analogy. You ever seen a castle on an island surrounded by a moat? You are that castle. Your relationship is that castle. Your spouse, your partner is that castle. The moat is the protection. It's the boundaries. Everyone can see the relationship. Everyone can acknowledge the relationship, but it doesn't mean they have access to the castle. It doesn't mean that they can enter the castle. One of the dangers that you're going to find when you allow other people into your relationship is that it's going to manipulate what you're thinking. It's going to open you up to a set of opinions, which in a lot of times is not healthy, is not constructive. Because the people who usually are the most opinionated are who? Those who are chronically single. Those who themselves don't feel safe in their relationship, and those who themselves do not make others feel safe, which is why they're alone, which is why they're single, which is why they have so much time that they can involve themselves in everyone else's relationship, because they can't see the trees from the forest. They're too busy burning down the whole landscape. Because if they're going to be single, you're going to be single. If they have a problem, you have a problem. You need to make sure that not only are your spouse and yourself feeling safe, your relationship is safe from others. You make each other feel safe, and then together you make your relationship feel safe.